Namaskar. Welcome back to the example number 9 for the event financial prospects. In the previous video, we had a detailed discussion on this example number 9, wherein we studied the male chart. His financial prospect is below average, and earnings are good with his own, job work, what he is doing for others. He used to earn money, but it is not very good earning because of the influence of the strong 5, 8, 9, 12 grouping planets are influencing the destiny second house matters, and also lagna and dasa periods are also the same way influenced by these unfavorable planets we checked. The same thing we are going to study with the help of the PILT table through the key planets, how the destiny is influenced by the unfavorable key planets, and also dasa periods are all influenced by the unfavorable key planets. So since can see that the favorable key planets, especially that Saturn role is present, how far that Saturn support also Lagna Lord itself is supportive for Lagna's own effort consistently doing the work. That also we'll see in this video with the help of the PILT table. Example number 9, below average financial prospects, moderate but insufficient earnings. We are going to study in this video with the help of the PILT table. Now let us go to the PILT table and check the prospects. This is the birth chart of that male native we discussed in the previous video with the help of the EPS tables. Now we are going to study with the help of the PILT table on the financial prospects. The colors whatever we have given for the each planets as per their self-signification strength, same thing we are going to follow here. Now we are on the PILT page, and let me select the self-significators and let me click the KP check all. So as we already discussed that unfavorable key planets are strongly Venus and Rahu. Venus, Rahu, and the Mars. Other planets are all supportive only, but Ketu also fine, but second planet Mars has got some weakness. So strong unfavorable key planets are Venus, Rahu, and of course Mars. So let us check. You can see that many planets are having this Rahu and Venus in their rulers. That itself is indicating some weakness. Let us check whether the second cuspal rulers are influenced by these unfavorable key planets. We have to check. That second lord Saturn, also Lagna lord and Lagna sublord Saturn, star level to a level is Ketu representing Mars has got some weakness, but it is fine only, but sublord is Venus. So that second lord and Lagna sublord itself in the sub of Venus, and star level planet has got some other weakness planet Mars and Mars, and also forming roller link. Venus is passing roller link to the source planet. And so that way it is indicating that second Lord planet and Lagna sublord planet under the influence of the Venus at the result level. So whatever Lagna is giving, whatever second money matters are going to earn by the Lagna, result is not going to be strong. Then comes the second cuspal sublord is Jupiter. Second cuspal sublord is Jupiter, is 12th lord also, and third lord. So that Jupiter in the sign of Venus and all the levels are ruled by Rahu Venus, and that itself is indicating that second sublord is not very strong. Fortunately, that Jupiter is passing ruler link to the all the levels by way of supports. So there will be some favorable income, but supportive income, but not going to be very strong because of the rulers are ruled by the unfavorable key planets. So the destiny is strongly influencing that weak financial prospects or above, below average financial prospects. Now that native is running Rahu Mahadasa, Rahu Dasa is not going to be so good, but sublord is fine, and Jupiter also supporting, so that is going to be to some extent supportive by the result. But previously Mars was running. Mars is in the star level 12 level ruled by the blue planet, not by the Rahu or Venus. That is good. But Rahu and Venus are influencing the other levels by way of supports. Fortunately, the star level planet is not under the influence of the Rahu and Venus. So this Mars is going to be supportive. And the previous moon also is favorable, but sublord is Venus. It is indicating there will be good, favorable supportive earnings, but financial position is going to be moderate, but result is not going to be good. So that previously the sun also the same way. So that influence of the Rahu Venus is playing role for the sun dasa, moon dasa, and Mars is comparatively better. And now Rahu dasa itself is under the influence of the Venus. Fortunately, the sublord is Saturn, that Lagna Lord itself is ruling. So because of that, now he is 65 years of old, and still the Lagna, that Saturn is doing its own work, and he is doing, it is doing the physical work, and earning some money for the requirement. So you can see the unfavorable key planets, Rahu and Venus, are influencing the second lord also, second sublord also, Lagna lord and Lagna sublord also, and all the other planets are also under the influence of the Rahu and Venus. And similarly, all other planets are also having that influence of the Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury. They are also present. Jupiter is favorable, and that is also influencing the other planets, and other favorable key planets are also supportive. That is a one good thing, that favorable key planets are also playing role, but unfortunately unfavorable key planets are playing the influencing the afflicting the destiny, and also the running and previous periods. I think we're able to understand how we can differentiate this chart from the previous examples wherein we studied the above average or good financial prospects. So we will meet in the next video. Good luck.